Hello students, I am Sunirmal. You are with SS class. Let's start. Today we will learn another story. And what is the name of the story? It is Aesop's Fables, which means the tales are related to Aesop. So the tales of Aesop. As you can see that the spelling of Aesop is written as Aesop apostrophe S, but it would not be pronounced as Aesop's, but it will be pronounced as Aesop's. Aesop and apostrophe S, that's why Aesop's fables. So let's start. Aesop was born in Africa. Nobody knows when and where he was born there, but he lived about 2600 years ago. We know that he lived as a slave of a rich master in Greece. Aesop was a very wise and witty. He could notice the weak points of the people easily. He could also see the bad results of their weaknesses. So let's read again. Aesop was born in Africa. Nobody knows when and where he was born there, but he lived about 2600 years ago. We know that he lived as a slave of a rich master in Greece. Aesop was very wise and witty. He could notice the weak points of the people easily. He could also see the bad results of their weaknesses. So let's read again. Aesop was born in Africa. Nobody knows when and where he was born there, but he lived about 2006 years ago. We know that he lived as a slave of a rich master in Greece. Aesop was very wise and witty. He could notice the weak points of the people easily. He could also see the bad results of their weaknesses. So, in this, from this portion, what we can find or what we can see that there is a person named Aesop. She was born in Africa, but it is not known to anyone. It is not known to us. Where means in which place of Africa he was born, and when he was born. That means what is the date of birth of Aesop. But it is known that he lived 2600 years ago. And it is also known to us that he was a slave of a king, of a master in Greece. Greece is a country of Europe, or you can say that Greece is a European country. Aesop was very wise and witty. Aesop was very intelligent and smart. Aesop can notice the weak points of the people easily. That means if there is any weakness in any people, he could find it. And he will mention it so that that person could work upon that weakness and make himself strong. And more importantly, he could also see the bad results of their weaknesses, which means if there is any weakness, in people. He will just say that you have this weakness. So if it will results this, that means if you not study well, if you are playing all the day, it will become weakness of yours. And what will be the result of that weakness? You will not be able to score good in the exam. And much more importantly, or most importantly, you will not be able to learn. You will not be able to learn the lesson. That is important. That is much more important. So, the result or the outcome of your weakness, which is not studying, is or will affect you in future. So Aesop, likewise, Aesop has that capability to look, to notice the weaknesses and their outcomes, the results of the weaknesses. So that's it for today. Thank you.